Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem. I'm going to solve a problem from circles. Okay, circles. The question is, if the equation of circle passing through the point minus 1 comma minus 3 and touching the line 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0 at the point 3 comma 0 is. Okay, first of all, what we have to do is consider the below formula for the given information. Right? So what is that formula? X minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus lambda into ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Right? Means this is the line equation. Okay? And here x1 comma y1, here we have the values for x1 equals to 3, y1 equals to 0. Okay, and ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. For this, what is the equation given? 4x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, so here what is the formula? See, I'll draw the figure for it. This is a circle, right? And this is passing through one point, that is minus 1 comma minus 3, and it is touching a line where 3 comma 0, and the line equation is what? 4x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. So we have to find this equation. For that we have this formula. Okay, so now substituting the given values in the above equation, what we'll get? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus lambda is a constant. We have to find the value of lambda. So 4x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, now the above equation that is the circle passes through point minus 1 comma minus 3. Therefore, x equals to minus 1, y equals to minus 3. Substitute in above equation. Okay. Now x is minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus y is minus 3 minus 0 whole square plus lambda we don't know, we have to find it now. So 4 into x is minus 1 plus 3 into minus 3 minus 12 equal to 0. So minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 square plus minus 3 whole square plus lambda into minus 4 minus 9 minus 12 equal to 0. This becomes 16 plus 9 plus lambda of minus 25 is equals to 0, which implies this is 25 plus minus 25 lambda equal to 0, which implies minus 25 lambda equal to minus 25. Minus minus cancel, therefore lambda is equals to 1. Okay, now substitute lambda value in this is one. Value in equation 1. So what we will get? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus lambda is 1. So 1 into 4x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0, which implies x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0, which implies x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4x is minus 2x plus 3y plus 9 minus 12 is minus 3 equals to 0. This is the required equation. Required equation of circle. Understood? Main, this is the formula we have to use for it, ma. When the circle is passing through a point and a line with some particular point, this is the formula we have to use. Okay? As this 3 comma 0 is the common point for the line and the circle, first we took that and substituted in this formula in the place of x1 and y1. Okay? And only the circle is passing through minus 1 minus 3. That means as it's here, what we will get, if we substitute the values, you will get lambda equals to 1, no? If we substitute the above equation minus 1 minus 3, we will get the lambda value. To get the lambda value, we have to use the point which is passing the circle. Got it? So like this we have to find. If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.